In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in Outlook Mail. This is the display name people see in the From line when they receive your emails. So updating it is a great way to keep your communication clear and professional. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook. This will bring up the official Outlook website near the top of the results. Click the Outlook site to open the web version of Outlook. If you already have it bookmarked or remember the address, that works too, but using a quick search is an easy way to get there. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner and click your profile picture or the circle with your initials. A small menu will open. From there, choose My Profile. This option takes you to the Microsoft account page tied to your Outlook identity, which is where your display name lives. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in to your account. You might be asked to verify your identity, and if you have multiple accounts, make sure you're using the one connected to the mailbox you want to update. Keep your sign-in details private, and once you're in, you'll land on your profile page. On your profile, look for the Edit Name option and click it. This opens the form where you can update the name that appears on your emails and across Microsoft services. Type the new first name and last name exactly as you want others to see them. A quick tip: use proper capitalization and avoid extra punctuation or emojis. Some mail systems don't handle them well. Think about what suits your purpose: more formal for work or a familiar name for personal mail. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. You may see a brief security check, which is normal. After you save, the update can take a few minutes to show everywhere. If it doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page. Sometimes signing out and back in helps it show up across devices. To confirm, send yourself a quick test email and check the From line to make sure your new name is displayed. Remember, this changes only your display name. Your email address stays the same. That's it. Open Outlook via Google, click your profile, go to My Profile, sign in if needed, choose Edit Name, type your new name, and save. If you use a work or school account and can't edit the name, your organization may control this setting, so you may need to contact your admin. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.